Good morning. We are back at Park Wales. Oh, I'm so happy to be here. Oh, let me just get this sorted out. There we go. So back at Park Wales. The last time we were here, the place was absolutely just covered in snow, and this happened.
Stop now, waking up to a new beginning. I'm dreaming, in 20 years I've come to notice something. A sequence, the harder work where your results are so strategic. Now I make a living, making differences to non-believers. This an anthem for the dreamers, I know I'm chasing mine, I hope you get to see it. I see you waving hands, confidence alive beneath it. So I tell them throw it up like the audience bulimic, yeah. You want advice, take a picture so it lasts longer. Speak the real, cause the truth will make the rap stronger. Give it everything you got. Don't acknowledge hate, look ahead and let the past wander. Let's make a toast, always kill it. Then put our heart up on a stage and hope the people feel it. I'm in the studio, headphones blaring until everything's gold. 24 carats. 24 carats. 24 carats.
But today it's absolutely cracking. The weather is beautiful. It's supposed to be like 23 degrees. Absolutely stunning up here. We're at Park Wales, which is in Merthyr Tydfil, and yeah, ready for some excitement and some mountain biking. About to get all set up. It will be mostly GoPro footage today, just because I can't take this camera on down the trails with me. But finally, Pat's arrived. He's just going to get checked in. So we will hopefully be up on the trail shortly. He's just got to get us set up and then we'll be out of here. Can't wait. I can't wait. It's going to be so much fun. Friggin' love this place. God. Oh, those are some sexy legs, mate.
I've been working on them.
Right, we're ready to go?
Good to go.
Sun in the sky, sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Birds flying high. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel.
got a pinch, mate. Whew, it is so hot and sweating like a beast, and one of the finer things of mountain biking is repairs. I've managed to nab myself a pinch tire, so it's here. There should be, and I've just got to change it out quick. Shouldn't take long. My nose is running and I'm sweating. I'm a bit of a sexy beast, as is the man behind me. We are good to go. We're back down at the cars, just rehydrating because it's very hot. But it's so awesome, having so much fun. Mountain Dew, baby. Mountain Dew. We're back up on the trails in a second. You alright, mate? Fucking hell! Woo! You missed that corner. Oh, man, you didn't die, dude. It's fucking hot. There's a hole there, apparently. How do you feel about your crash, Pat?
I feel pretty good actually, as I did not end up in a hole. I nearly ended up in a hole. It was a near crash.
It was a near crash.
As I actually elected to get off. There is a part.
Pat was pinning it down through the trails, and then suddenly there was no trail, just a big hole in the ground. He had to eject.
Corner around there somewhere.
We are done. What an excellent day. That was so much fun. I'm absolutely exhausted now. I can't tell you how much I've been sweating, how dusty we are. Pat's gone home now. He's on his way back to Weston. And yeah, I'm gonna head back to Bath now. I'll probably get some food and definitely a drink on the way home. And if you've enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe. And we'll see you soon.